So do you realize what day it is? It is a very grey Wednesday. But in 2 days time, it is gonna be Black Friday and Xiaomi have sent me over a very timely Mi-stery box. I wonder what's in it, but you probably aren't because you probably read the description of the video and you know exactly what's in it. But anyway, let's unbox it and I'll run through some of the product highlights. All right. So first out of the box, we have a Mi watch. And if we look at the back of it, we can see here, it's got built-in GPS, multiple fitness modes, it's water resistant up to 50 meters, it's got auto screen brightness, it's got a 1.4 colorful screen, doesn't say what type of screen, and it's got heart rate monitoring as well. So in order to set this watch up, I will need a phone. Let's see what else is in the box. Check this out. I am familiar with this device. This is the Xiaomi 11T Pro. So this phone right here isn't the flagship. The flagship is still the Ultra, but this is one step down. And this was the mid-year release from Xiaomi. And the specs on this thing are insane. Let me show you what this phone is all about. 108 megapixel primary sensor, and if you look closely at the bottom here, Harman Kardon sound built in, and it is 5G. And there is a protective case in the box, which is always nice. Check out those specs right there. So we've got a 108 megapixel pro grade camera that can shoot in 8K, 120 watt charger in the box. I heard that charger can get this phone to 100% from empty in 15 minutes. The display is 120 Hz AMOLED, so it's the same technology that Samsung use in their phones, and it supports Dolby Vision. And I also heard that DisplayMate, which is a website that grades screens, gave this screen an A+. And then here's something I'm very familiar with. This is the flagship from Qualcomm in 2021, the Snapdragon. This is literally in the top 2 best phone chips of 2021. So this color right here is meteorite gray, and there is a moonlight white version of this as well. Let's boot this thing up and see if it's got any juice in it. Please boot up. No power in it, unbelievable. So this phone's arrived with no power in it because it's probably used internally by Xiaomi. If you buy one of these, there will be some power in it. But this is a good thing because I'm going to plug it in with the 120 watt charger, and then we'll see how much juice is left in the phone once I finish unboxing the rest of the stuff. So the Mi 11T Pro is now on charge. Let's see what else is in this Mi-stery box. Ah, bubble wrap. You know who likes bubble wrap? Sit. Sit. So check this out. This is Xiaomi 11T series Cinemagic. Let's see what's in here. So whatever it is, it's packaged really nicely. That looks to me like some kind of a gimbal. So I think the phone would have been in here. What have we got here? Check that out. Something wonderful is about to happen. Designed by Xiaomi, and I really like the look of this case. Now let's check this thing out here. So there's a little camera button on there, which means you could probably pair this to a phone using Bluetooth and then activate the camera with that button. And I'm assuming there's a battery in here, that's why there's a little pull cord. So that releases the battery. And then we have a phone grip here. And check that out, you can use this as a tripod. And it can actually extend, so you could use this as quite a tall tripod, or if you collapse this bit back down, you could use it as a really long selfie stick. So this right here might be the longest selfie stick I have ever seen. It's literally like the length of a golf club. The good thing about it is because it's got that tripod on the bottom, you can actually sit this on a surface and get your phone camera pretty high up. And this might be the icing on the cake. They've given me a little Xiaomi badge, which I'll probably wear on the live stream with Xiaomi, which I'm going to be doing on Friday. And if you're wondering what Friday that is, here we have a Christmas shopping bag. Celebrate the holidays with me. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications for WhatGear reviews if you want to celebrate the holidays with me. So the phone's literally been charging for maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes. Let's see how much juice we got in it, and let's try the case on the phone. %. So I'm honestly blown away by how much this is charged. 63% in under 10 minutes from zero, from proper empty. It literally wouldn't even turn on, screen wouldn't light up. But anyway, let's try this case on because this looks really nice. So that right there is very slick and maybe the best case I've ever seen from Xiaomi. So what we've got here is a little avatar of myself. We can customize the watch faces on the smartwatch. We can change the app notifications, so we can set what notifications we want to come through to the watch. I haven't got much on this phone at the moment because I've literally just set it up. You can also see incoming calls, and you can adjust the background activity permissions. Weathers, you can customize the widgets so you can choose what you have when you swipe between the screens. So some of the standout features on the phone is the display. 120 Hz refresh rate means that when there's motion on the screen, it's going to be super smooth. And something else that's really significant about this particular display, especially for gaming, is the 480 Hz touch sampling rate. That is super rapid. That means when you touch the screen, it will respond incredibly fast. The other great thing is you've got the full P3 color gamut on here, Dolby Vision, HDR10. So if you're watching Netflix and stuff like that, you're going to get true to life colors. And when it comes to storage options, it starts with a minimum of 8 gigs of RAM, that's DDR5 RAM, and 128 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. And of course there is NFC on board, so you can do payments with the phone as well. And the cameras are also awesome. Let's take a few pictures. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. So these will almost certainly be on sale going into Black Friday and leading into the Christmas sales and Boxing Day sales and all that kind of stuff. So check out the links below the video. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Don't be late.